Today we get to monogram on the unicorn. So this is for a little 9-year-old girl. Her name is Mirabelle. And sure, we love the fact that we can unzip this and pull the belly and the head out. But I think Mirabelle might like it too, because I bet she can hide some things in there. Maybe some money, maybe some little notes, or maybe just anything that she wants to hide from her siblings. So she also loves purple. So what I decided to do was take the purple from this right here and get my best match. Sometimes if you're questioning whether that is the right shade that you're trying to use, the surefire way to do that is to take it out into the sun. Take the spool of thread with the item that you're trying to match, take it out into the sun, and that is such a great way to know if it's the right shade. I'm using some heavy stabilizer. You always want to use the heaviest stabilizer you can use whenever you're doing any kind of monogramming, because we are just putting holes in products. So if you use a great stabilizer, it makes your monogramming look so much better. So always choose a great stabilizer whenever you're monogramming. I'm going to use my 7-inch hoop or my 18 centimeter that actually came with my machine. I'm just going to put the ring inside here, the belly like this. There's plenty of room to make it this big. And then I am going to hoop it upside down because I don't want to have to stick the head of the unicorn into the machine. Let's get it on the machine, making sure that the legs and the arms are out of the way. You also want to sweep underneath and make sure that nothing is caught. So we're just going to slip it on like this. I take my hand underneath and just reach and make sure that nothing is caught. And my centering is exact centering with the horn of the unicorn. So we're just going to trace it out, make sure it's going to sew exactly where we want it to sew out. And we're ready to go. The purple is perfect. So I went ahead and cut my backing off, and then I put the head in. Now I'm just going to put this in. I didn't use water soluble this time. I actually knocked down the stitches behind the name. That just saves you a step when you're trying to finish things up. So this retails for approximately $40, and then I added $15 for the monogram cost. So if you would like to become a retailer for this company, just go to the link below and fill out an application so that you can sell these products, and your customers are going to love this. Mirabelle is going to love this.